In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use JQL to search with dates. If you want to quickly find work items created within a certain time frame in Jira, JQL is a really useful tool. JQL stands for Jira Query Language, and it lets you search using simple, flexible conditions. In this example, we're focusing on date-based searching, so you can narrow results to a recent period like the last 30 days or any range you prefer. To get started, go to the Filters section in Jira. This is where you can access saved searches and open the search interface for your work items. If you're new to JQL, don't worry. You won't need to build everything from scratch for this example because we're just modifying an existing date value. From Filters, click Search Work Items. This opens the issue or work item search page where your results and query options are displayed. This is the main area you'll use whenever you want to refine searches beyond the standard filters. Once you're on the search page, click on JQL. This switches you into the advanced query view where you can directly edit the search statement. You should see a query that includes something like created greater than or equal to minus 30D, followed by order by created descending. What this means is Jira is showing items created in the last 30 days, with the newest items listed first. Now, simply edit the date number from 30D to any value you want. For example, if you change it to 7D, Jira will show items created in the last 7 days. If you change it to 60D, it will return items from the last 60 days. The D stands for days, so be sure to keep that in place when adjusting the number. This is a quick and convenient way to customize your search without rewriting the whole query. After making the change, Jira will use that updated value to filter your results. This is especially helpful when you want to check recent activity, review older work over a longer period, or create a search that matches your team's reporting needs. A good tip here is to pay attention to the structure of the query and only change the number if that's all you need. That helps avoid syntax mistakes and keeps the search working properly. Once you get comfortable with this, using JQL for date searches becomes fast and very practical for day-to-day project tracking. And that's how to use JQL to search with dates.